Load up. Load up.
Okay, ladies.
Okay, ladies.
And who might you be?
This is Nancy Warner.
Speak up, Nancy Warner.
This is Nancy Warner. I am a graduate of Poly High School, 1969. I am here to enjoy our very delicious Delia's today with my school chum, Rosemary.
And you, Rosemary what?
Rosemary McDonald Kurtz.
Yes.
Rosie, my friends. Rosie Kurtz.
And you graduated from?
In 69 from Poly.
Well, very,
Which is the year. The year, that's right.
very
Yes.
good. And, yes ma'am, and who might you be?
I'm Debbie Sandvik, and I graduated in 71 from Rubidoux High. And I'm going to be grandma to two brand new little boy twins in the fall.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Scared.
Thank you very much. Yes ma'am, and who might you be?
Tell him who you are. I'm Dorothy Dales.
Dorothy Dales.
And tell him where you when you graduated.
1942.
From Riverside Poly High. Tell him.
Dorothy Dales, 1942, Poly High.
Yes.
Hilton was the
Hilton was her last name.
Hilton was the last name. Okay, thank you. And sir?
Hello, Roger. She'll be right in a fortnight. My name is Craig Dales. It is. That's right. And I graduated from Poly High, 1969. Go Bears.
Go Bears too.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
He's my son.
Doug is here somewhere.
Is everybody happy? Where? We got some more of these things coming for dessert now.
The grinders or
Hi.
Hi,
And who might you be?
I'm Janet Pendergrass Myers, aka Camp Director.
Yes.
So
And you didn't put a name tag on.
I do. Have it right there.
There we go. You got to make the obligate. There we go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah,
What
thank
school?
you.
What school?
Ramona 72. Woo! Go Rams.
Very good. Bye.
Bye.
Looks like a whistle.
You can't.
Sir, who are you?
I'm Jerry
Last name?
Kearns.
All right. Very good.
I'm the
My better half.
Better half. Better half, yes. And you graduated from what school?
DeKalb High School in DeKalb, Missouri.
Very good. And what year was that?
1965.
All right.
He's an old
Okay,
Ma'am, who are you?
I'm Valerie Decker Holmes, class of Ramona class of 72. Just did the old person knee surgery, knee replacement.
Ooh.
You know, that old person knee. And my Steven Tyler bling. You know.
Well, get well soon.
Thanks. Plan on dancing at my reunion. So.
All right. Ma'am, and who are you?
I'm Sandy Krieger Salvato, class of 72 from Poly, and longtime Riversider, and came here with Valerie today.
Thank you very much.